Good morning, students. Shantiniketan Junior College, Mukundapuram. Inter first year Maths A. Topic: multiple and submultiple angles. In the previous class, we will discuss some problems depend on the multiple and submultiple angle formulas. Okay. Today, first problem. In this class, first problem is prove that sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a by cos a is equal to tan a by 2. Tan a by 2. Prove that sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a by cos a is equal tan a by 2. Okay. So LHS, RHS is only one term, single term. So we can take LHS, we can prove RHS. So lengthy terms నుంచి smallest term లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయడం ఈజీ అమ్మ. కాబట్టి హైయెస్ట్ టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నటువంటి LHS ని కన్సిడర్ చేస్తూ తీసుకొని RHS ని ప్రూఫ్ చేస్తాం. సో వాట్ ఇస్ LHS is here? Here LHS is sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a by cos a. That equal by the multiple angles sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a by 1 minus cos 2a formula in terms of minus 1 or plus 1. So here cos 2a sign is negative sign, so we can take plus. So cos 2a formula in terms of plus 1 minus 2 sin square a into 1 minus cos a formula 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2 by cos a. So here cos a 1 cos a get cancelled. 2 sin a by 1 minus 1 minus of minus plus 2 sin square a into 1 minus 1 minus of minus plus 2 sin square a by 2. So here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 2 sin a by 2 sin square a into 2 sin square a by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. 1 sin a get cancelled. Remaining terms is 1 by sin a into 2 sin square a by 2. That equal 1 by again sin a by using multiple angles can be written as 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 into 2 sin square a by 2. So 2 get cancelled. 1 sin a by 2, 1 sin a by 2 get cancelled. Remaining terms are sin a by 2 by cos a by 2. Sin a by 2 by cos a by 2, tan a by 2. That is RHS. Okay, students. Total multiple angle formulas ని యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో 1 మైనస్ కాస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సైన్ లోకి అప్లై చేయండి, 1 ప్లస్ కాస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కాస్ లోకి అప్లై చేయండి. సో డైరెక్ట్ గా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే 1 మైనస్ కాస్ వచ్చింది అంటే కాస్ 2a ఫార్ములాని సైన్ లో అప్లై చేయండి. 1 ప్లస్ కాస్ వచ్చింది అంటే ఆ ఫార్ములా దేనిలో అప్లై చేయాలి? కాస్లలోకి అప్లై చేయాలి ఫార్ములాని. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీవన్ నోట్ దట్ వన్. Okay, completed. Okay, try the next one. Prove that sine 2x by secant x plus 1 into secant 2x by secant 2x plus 1 is equal to tan x by 2. So here we can take LHS. LHS is here sine 2x by secant x plus 1 into secant 2x by secant 2x plus 1, that equal. So we don't know the formulas of multiple angle for secant. So secant is the reciprocal of cos. So first of all, secant can be changed into the cos. Sine 2x by secant x can be written as 1 by cos x plus 1 into 1 by cos 2x by 1 by cos 2x into 1 by cos 2x plus 1. So sine 2x by, here LCM is cos x, so 1 plus cos x into 1 by cos 2x by, denominator is the LCM is cos 2x, so 1 plus cos 2x. So here 1 cos 2x get cancelled. So this is the reciprocal of sine 2x into cos x by 1 plus cos x into 1 by 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, now we can write by using multiple angles sine 2x, cos x, cos 2x. So sine 2x can be written as 2 sine x cos x into cos x by 1 plus. So here 1 plus cos x is plus. So cos can be written as in terms of cos 1 plus cos x formula 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 into 1 by 1 plus cos 2x 2 cos square x minus 1. So here plus 1 minus 1, here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 2 sin x cos x into cos x cos square x by 2 cos square x by 2 into 1 by 2 cos square x. So 2 cos square x, 2 get cancelled, that equals sin x by 2 cos square x by 2. Again by multiple angles sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. So 2 get cancelled, 1 cos x by 2 cos x by 2 get cancelled, that equal sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Sin by cos, tan x by 2. That is RHS. Okay, understand? Everyone note that one? Okay, completed. Write on the next one. Prove that cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta by sin theta is equal to 3. Cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta by sin theta is equal to 3. So here we can take LHS. LHS is here cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta by sin theta. Cos cube theta minus, by the multiple angle cos 3 theta can be written as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta formula. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by sin theta. So cos cube theta minus 4 minus 3 cos cube theta minus of minus plus 3 cos theta by cos theta plus sin cube theta minus 4 sin cube minus 3 sin cube theta plus 3 sin theta by sin theta. On the numerator, in this term, what is the common term? 3 cos theta is the common term. Okay, or only cos theta is the common term. Minus 3 cos square theta plus 3 by cos theta. In this term, sin theta is the common term. Sin theta of minus 3 sin square theta plus 3 by sin theta. So here sin theta get cancelled. Here cos theta get cancelled. What are the remaining terms? Minus 3 cos square theta plus 3 plus of minus 3 sin square theta plus 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. In these two terms, minus 3 is the common term. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. So 6 minus 3 of cos square theta plus sin square theta, 1. So 6 minus 3, that equal to 3. That is RHS. Okay, everyone know that one? Okay, completed. What is the next one? Prove that 1 by cos 290 degrees plus 1 by root 3 into sin 250 degrees is equal to 4 by root 3. Prove that 1 by cos 290 degrees plus 1 by root 3 sin 250 degrees is equal 4 by root 3. Okay. Here first of all we can take LHS. LHS is here 1 by cos 290 degrees plus 1 by root 3 into sin 250 degrees. We don't know the value of 290 degrees and 250 degrees value. By using related angles, what is the related angle? Already we know that related angle in the previous classes. Related means 90 plus or minus, 180 plus or minus, 270 plus or minus, 360 plus or minus theta. These angles are called related angles. So by using related angles, 290 can be written as 270 plus 20 degrees plus 1 by root 3 sin 250 can be written as 270 minus 20 degrees. 270 plus theta is in which coordinate? Fourth coordinate. In the fourth coordinate cos is positive sign. 270 plus is an odd multiple. If angle are an odd multiple, ratios will be changed. Cos will be changed, sin 20 degrees plus 1 by root 3 into 270 minus theta is in which coordinate? 270 minus is in third coordinate. In the third coordinate, sign is negative sign. So minus 270 means sign will be changed, cos 20 degrees. That equal 1 by sin 20 plus into minus 1 by root 3 cos 20 degrees. Here what is the LCM? Root 3 sin 20 degrees cos 20 degrees is LCM. Then numerators are root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20. So the numerator is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta. So if numerator is in the form of a cos, if a term is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta, the term multiplying and dividing with root a square plus b square. What is the value of root a square plus b square? 3 plus 1, 4. Root 4 means 2. So the numerator here, the numerator multiplying and dividing with 2. So 2 of root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 sin 20 by root 3 sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. 2 of root 3 by 2 value. Which degree value is root 3 by 2? So here one term is cos. So another term is sin. Sin 60. Cos 20. 1 by 2 is cos 60 degrees value. Cos 60 into sin 20 by root 3 sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. By the compound angle sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B. So 2 sin of 60 minus 20 by root 3 sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. So 2 sin 60 minus 20, 40 by root 3 sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. So 2 of sine 40 can be written as 2 into 20 by root 3 sine 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. So here the numerator is in the form of sine 2 theta. Again by using multiple angle, sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine 2 theta. So 2 into 2 sine 20 degrees cos 20 degrees by root 3 sine 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. So sine 20 cos 20 both are get cancelled. 2 to the 4 by root 3. That is RHS. Okay, students, understand? Everyone know that one? Okay, students, completed. Okay, the remaining problems will be continuing in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.